Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can fill dispatch detail on invoice and can mark it as dispatch. So first of all we need to go in browse modules. On your left hand side you will see browse module option, click on this. Now you need to go to sales and purchase. Once you will click on sales and purchase, this is the list of all of my transactions. So please check here. This is one of my transaction in which invoice is created, but the good status is not dispatched. Why? Because I haven't filled the dispatch detail yet. So what I will do, I will click on this particular invoice. Right hand side, other action, you will see an option of dispatch. Click on this. Now, once I clicked on dispatch, a new module will get open in front of your screen. A new page will get open in front of your screen. You just need to fill the details. So here, what I will do, I will simply just go ahead and put a title, DTDC, transporter name, DTDC, tracking number. I will just simply type vehicle number. I will just mention. So it's MH01K0978. Transporter to pay, dispatch date. So dispatch date is of today. I can mention comment. I can put an email in additional user if I want to inform them about this particular dispatch detail, and then after I can click on dispatch. We do have an option to aftership integration as well, which will work in this way that once I will click on this send to aftership, on aftership dashboard this particular dispatch detail will be pushed and accordingly you can track there. So click on dispatch. Once I clicked on dispatch, please check what changes is done. I clicked on view transaction and going below I can see that this particular dispatch notice here same have been sent on the email mentioned in the invoice, and here invoice is created and goods is dispatched. So this is how you can update the dispatch detail on any invoice. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.